Arrays in C, is one of the most used data structure in C programming. It is a simple and fast way of storing multiple values under a single name. So far, we used a variable to store a single name or single number. Suppose if you want to store multiple values 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 under a single variable, then we can use array. Here, int a of 6 store all the numbers 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18 under a of 6. There are two elements, parameters here. First one, index. Here the index starts with 0, then element. Element means the value stored on each index. So this is called array initialization. Then if you want to declare the value for the initialized array A of 6, then we can use curly bracket. Open curly bracket 2, comma 4, comma 8, comma 12, comma 16, comma 18, then close curly bracket. This is called array declaration. It will be applicable to one-dimensional array. Suppose if you have two-dimensional array like this is 4 cross 4 matrix, 4 rows, 4 column. Then you can initialize the array using the command int a of 4 4. Here 4 represent number of row, another 4 represent number of column. A of 4 4 equal to, again open curly bracket. The first 4 element represent first row, the next 4 element represent next row, then third row and fourth row. So this is how you can initialize and declare one-dimensional and two-dimensional array in C program. Write a C program to print the matrix A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here I can use arrays because I want to print a matrix. Then we can also use for loop to print all the element of the matrix. First, I'm going to declare a function array void array void. So here I can write separate function. First, I'm going to initialize array a of 6. Then I'm going to declare the values 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. There are 6 elements, so I have used 6 here. Now I'm going to write a for loop for I equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. Inside that, I'm going to print the matrix A equal to no. So here percentage of D, I can give space. This is A of I because I'm going to print each element. So the for loop run 6 times, so it will print all the number. Here I'm going to initialize I, then add a printf statement to print A equal to. So let me run this code. So this will print A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So this is how you can print one-dimensional array A using for loop. Write a C program. Print the matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a matrix, two-dimensional matrix. Here I'm going to use for loop two times. Let's see how to print this matrix using for loop. So let me delete this code. First, I'm going to initialize a matrix int a 4 4 equal to open curly bracket 1 2 3 4 2 3 4. Here I have declared array A. Now I'm going to print this array. This is two-dimensional array. So I'm going to write two for loop I equal to 0, I less than, it's a 4 cross 4 matrix, plus plus. So inside that, I'm going to write another for loop j equal to 0, j less than 4, j plus plus. Here I have to print a matrix. So printf percentage d space a of I j. So this is a matrix. So first it will print row 1, then there should be a space, new line character. For that I'm going to add another printf with new line character. Now I need to define int I and j. That's it. So this will print a 4 cross 4 matrix. Here you can see there is a 4 cross 4 matrix. If you want, you can add another printf statement a equal to. So that's it. So this will print a matrix A, 4 cross 4 matrix. Write a C program to add two matrices A and B. A equal to 1 1 1 1, B equal to 2 2 2 2. Here we have to add these two matrices. So first we need to add these two elements 3. Then we need to add the next two elements. Similarly, we need to add third and fourth element like this. Here, I'm going to use same for loop. Let's see how to do this in VS Code. First, I'm going to initialize matrix A to 2. Then I will declare that value. Now, matrix B. Next, I'm going to write for loop I equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus. Another for loop j equal to 0, j less than 2, j plus plus. Inside that, I need to add two matrix A and B. So the third matrix C of I j equal to A of I j plus B of I j. So this is the two matrix which I need to add. Let's define I and j here. We also need to define C. It's a 2 cross 2 matrix. So let's add printf percentage d space. I'm going to print C of I j. Here you can add another printf statement. C equal to, then here we can add another printf statement for adding a new line for each row. So this is more than enough. Now I'm going to run this code. So there is an error here that new line character. So now you see that C equal to 3 3 3 3. So this is how you can write a program in array.